this bridge, old and cracked, it once held a railway track. Engine chugging to the sea, through Ennisdime and to Kilkee. Waterfall, River Brown, winter rain is crashing down. Dillon T, Augustus John, this is the bench that they sat on.